Hi, I'm Ryan and I'm from BenQ America. Today I'm going to show you what makes our RP02 our premium model and how it's going to help you in the classroom. Typically when you walk into the room, it's a struggle to get your laptop connected, type in your computer password, connect the speakers, HDMI cable, set up recording apps, and even put it on a mic. And that's just half the story. If you share a public laptop, next comes the cumbersome task of logging into your Google Drive to access all of your materials. Then you'll have to deal with the automatic updates on your PC, Mac, and even your App Store. The BenQ RP02 is your solution. When you walk into a classroom, the RP02's long-range PIR sensor will detect your body heat and wake up the board from standby mode, even up to 16 feet away. Next, when you walk up to the board and tap your NFC card, you're instantly logged into your own personal system settings and, most importantly, access to your network drive and your cloud storage such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. If you prefer cables, you only need one to rule them all. Showing all of your materials from your computer is as easy as plugging in the USB Type-C that comes with the board. The front USB port enables quick access to start teaching from your PC, Mac, or Chromebook. The new board has a zero-bond screen, which means that there is no gap between where your finger touches and where the writing begins. It's a much more natural writing experience, just like a tablet. The board supports 4K Android resolution, so presentations, whiteboarding, and apps are clear enough for all to see. The RP02 series board is outfitted with an array mic system. What's an array mic system? It uses 8 microphones to isolate the sound in a classroom and only transmits the loudest voice from the teacher teaching or students asking questions. Another simple but great design feature is the pen tray. You can put anything on it to use with your board, like pens, login cards, or even brushes. Beneath the pen tray, there are dual 16-watt speakers, and the RP02 even has a subwoofer. We have a world-class first here with our antimicrobial germ-resistant screen. This is our 4th generation of this series with this feature. That means that when those sticky hands touch the board all day, the glass surface does not allow germs to multiply and they actually die off. Dual Windows allows teachers to open up 2 apps side by side. You can open up Wikipedia in a browser and EasyRight to take live teaching notes. Our new EasyRight whiteboard allows you to open up any IWB file. You can also download Android apps to customize your teaching tools. The RP02 series board from BenQ gives you cutting-edge hardware to take learning to the next level. Pair the RP02 with your BenQ AMS account and you have the best classroom interactive board out there. That's it for today, class.